Hello everybody and welcome to today's STEM sampler session on Loti-Bot. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to share my screen with you. And let's have a look today at Loti-Bot. So welcome first. My name's Jo Knight and I'm a LEGO certified trainer and STEM consultant with MTA. I'm also a passionate primary school teacher with an extra special passion for STEM and literacy. This series is aimed to provide you with a comparison of popular STEM products, and so today we're looking at Loti-Bot. Okay, so what is Loti-Bot? Well, Loti-Bot, here is Loti-Bot. Loti-Bot is the big brother to B-Bot and Blue-Bot. And it's great for students of all ages because there are two levels of coding, which I'm about to show you. Right, the first thing you need to do is download the free app to get started. And once you've downloaded the app, Loti-Bot is ready to go. It connects very easily to the Bluetooth. You will notice that Loti-Bot has coloured bumpers on the side, which is great. Kids love changing the colours of those. On the back, we have the clear screen so that you can see inside the workings of Loti-Bot like you can with Blue-Bot. It also has colour sensors here and a handy bumper sensor so that if it's starting to drive off the table, it will stop and it won't leave the table, which is great. It won't fall off. It's designed for primary students, age 1 to 6, and there's two levels of coding, like I've already said to you. It also has a pen that you can pop in the top in here. And that does coding, drawing shapes and trails as well. All right, so let's have a little look now at this demonstration and I'll talk you through it as we go. Okay, so here you can see that Lottie has the coloured lights on the side and the pen is in there. So you pop the pen in and then you just turn it, but it doesn't come with a pen. So you do have to find the right pens to go in it. Okay, so here is the programming canvas. So this is level 2 of the programming canvas. The students see Lottie moving a trail, making a trail on the screen as well as doing it in real time. So here's Lottie actually drawing the triangle and the students will be seeing that in real time on the screen as well. And when we lift it up, there is a really good triangle. All different shapes that it makes, and it's really good for coding because the students learn about angles while they're doing that as well. All right, so the Loti-Bot app, it's available on the App Store or Android and Google Play Store. Again, it's all free, which is fantastic. And it is based around Blockly and Scratch-based coding. Now let's have a look at the levels. There are two levels to this app. Level 1 is for the juniors and it looks like Junior Scratch with chunky horizontal blocks and pictures. And then level 2 is your Scratch style blocks, which is very familiar to the students. And I would hope that you will be teaching them that type of coding as they move along and progress within your school. Okay, this is a better example of level 1. You will see over here that it's got the very easy icon blocks. It doesn't have many choices of blocks, but it gives the students enough to be able to program Lottie. And then over here we have the canvas which shows Lottie moving and leaving a trail. So the students can look here and they can look in the real world as well. The thing I love about this is that the code blocks are placed from left to right, just as young children like to read. So it's giving them that visual help as well. Now, when we look at level 2, again, the screen is split into 3. You can see now that we're getting a lot more coding blocks coming through, and the coding blocks are similar to Scratch. You also have operators and you have variables in this now. And that's why I'm saying it could very well go for grades 5 to 6 because it's very good at teaching coding. Again, you'll see the programming canvas in the middle, and then over on the side is the Loti trail. Okay, now as you saw in my little video, it does draw shapes. They are very accurate shapes. You could do things like ask one student to code and draw a trail, and then the next student has to look at that trail and see if they can code and replicate that same trail, just as an activity. Now, I've told you the features already. Here it is at a glance, everything that you need to know. It does have lesson plans, very few lesson plans, but there are some lesson plans on the website. And I always say that it's one device between two students. If you get more than two students, you know what happens. 3 students and one of them will sit out or won't get a turn, and it just doesn't turn into a nice experience for everyone. If you've got 2 students, they're cooperating, they collaborate, they talk about their mistakes, they're much more engaged because they can both use the features of this bot at the same time. If you're keen to experience Loti-Bot, please get in touch with me. There's my email address, and I can discuss that with you more. Also, if you'd like to talk to me about anything related to STEM or robotics, please get in touch with me. More than happy to have a chat. Now, question time at the moment we don't have because this is a recording. So if you do have questions, again, jump onto my website. And just letting people know that our STEAMposium 24 is set to launch on Wednesday, the 22nd of May. It's an online STEM conference. It goes all day, and there are some absolutely great presenters this year, including one of my favourites, Eddie Wu, who is a mathematician and high school teacher, totally engaging. Grab your tickets at stemposium.com.au, and once you've purchased a ticket, you have 6 months of value because you can keep going back and watching the STEAMposium for 6 months after May the 22nd. So grab your tickets, it's well worth it. Thank you very much for your time today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.